Good morning. Welcome to another Design Make Play show. Ella Khorbash is here. I'm a materials engineer and I'm the instructor for Fusion 360 here in ZenMaker Lab. And today I want to teach you how to make new components and how to join them and assemble them together. So let's dive in. Here you can see that I have a car axle. I made it in Fusion 360. But let's see how many components I have. So the first component is the frame. This is the frame for that. And the second one is just here. Yeah, this part. And we have the other part the same as the second part, and then we have this part which is the wheel itself, and then I just mirrored the first part so that I have the second, wheel and all the rods at the other part. But you can see that I can make the wheel move, right? But how it works? So when you have different components, you are able to make them move, and it's just here. You can see the assemble tool at the top, and you can see you have the option to make new components, and you can join and as-built joints here. So for example, let's check how it works. When you go to as-built joint, you can see that we have different types of joints. We have a rigid, which is not moving. We have a revolute, which rotates around joint. We have slider, and I'll show you shortly. We have cylindrical and so on. So for example, here you can see a slider joint. So these little cubes slide in the base and you can see it. But how about here? So here, this handle is a revolute joint to this little cube, and it's so fun. I mean, yeah, it's amazing that it can move like this here. But how about other things in real life? Have you ever thought how a hinge works? What is a hinge? A hinge is used in doors and windows. So it rotates as a revolute, and you can see that it makes the door actually move when the door is closed, and when you open the door, it's like this. That's how different components join together, we assemble them together, and we make very more complicated design. I hope you enjoyed this segment. We covered joints and components today. If you are interested in learning more about Fusion 360, visit our website and check out our after-school program. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.